Greetings and welcome back everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a high quality external USB microphone with your Samsung Galaxy smartphone to get better audio quality while you are recording a video on your phone. And trust me guys, the audio quality difference is huge. The internal microphone is not able to capture the full depth of the sound that this kind of a condenser microphone will. So this is the blue snowball condenser microphone. I'll be using this. In addition to the USB microphone, I will also show you how to capture audio while video recording on your phone using the Bluetooth headsets microphone. So this feature will come in very handy if someone is recording you from a distance. You don't really need to scream in order for the internal microphone to capture sound. Just wear your headsets and speak normally, because then this microphone will be recording your audio instead of the internal microphone of the phone. Oh, and before we begin, I just want to say that this is sort of a new feature, so your phone needs to run the latest version of Android plus OneUI version 2.5. I've tested this on Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It did not work because this one is still running OneUI 2.1. So you need the OneUI 2.5 version in order for this feature to work. So I have tested this on the Galaxy S10 Plus, it works. On the Galaxy Note 10 Plus it works, and it also works on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So I'm gonna demonstrate this on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Alright, so the first thing you'll need is a USB Type-C to Type-A converter. So this allows you to plug in the USB cable of the mic just like this, and these are available on Amazon. I'll put in the purchase link in the video description. And the other side connects to your phone. And notice that when I connect this LED on the mic will light up. So that is it. The mic is now connected, and all you have to do is launch the camera, go into video mode, and then start recording. And the phone says recording audio through USB mic. So now the phone is actually picking up sound from the USB microphone. Alright, so I have disconnected the USB mic. Let's do a comparison. So this is the audio that is being recorded via the internal microphone of the phone. I'm gonna stop, gonna plug in the USB microphone, launch the camera and start recording now. And this is the audio that is coming through the USB microphone. You can tell there is a massive difference when it comes to quality. The audio which is being captured through the USB microphone is more full and it has more detail in it. Now check this out. If you go to the Pro Video mode, you can actually change the level of the USB microphone. So in case the level is a little bit too high, you can decrease that for a much more cleaner sound. Or if the level is too low, you can increase that. But I feel that the level of the sound that is coming in from the USB microphone is a little bit too high. So just -3 decibels is okay. Now the sound quality is a little bit better. So yeah, this is how you can use an external high quality USB condenser microphone for better audio quality while you are recording a video on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now coming to the Bluetooth microphone functionality, first we will have to start off by pairing the Bluetooth headset with the phone. So here's a tip for you guys. If your Bluetooth headset has NFC, just touch the back of your phone to the NFC area of your Bluetooth headset, and that is all you need to do to connect the Bluetooth headset with your phone. See, it's now connected. So now launch the camera, then go to Pro Video, then tap on the microphone icon and then select Bluetooth. So now the phone will record audio coming from the external Bluetooth microphone which is on your Bluetooth headset. So on this Sony headset, the microphone is right over here. So this is the audio that is being recorded with the internal microphone of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So now the phone is recording the audio that is coming in from the Bluetooth headset's microphone. Actually, I'm wearing the Bluetooth headsets right now. So the thing is, if someone is recording me from a distance and if I'm speaking something, I really don't have to scream in order for the phone's internal microphone to capture sound. It also eliminates the need of any external voice recorders like these, thus saving you time when you are editing your video. So this is how you can use a USB microphone and the Bluetooth headset's microphone while recording a video. So I have been trying to get the USB microphone to work with the Galaxy Note 9, which is running the older version of OneUI. Unfortunately, it does not work with the camera. So whenever I record a video in the video mode or in the Pro Video mode, the phone always uses the internal microphone, and there is no option to change that. Even in the Pro video mode, there is no microphone icon here. I've checked all the camera settings. I've checked the phone's main settings. There is no option to change the internal microphone to the external microphone. Although the phone knows that there is an external microphone plugged in. So if I go to the voice recorder, the phone says external mic will be used to record audio. So the phone knows that there is an external microphone connected, but the camera application is not able to use it. So unless Samsung updates the phone to OneUI 2.5 and above, you will not be able to use the external microphone with the camera app. Now I'm not sure about this, but Samsung might update the Galaxy Note 9 to OneUI 2.5, but I'm not sure. I read it somewhere on the internet, but once they do, you will be able to use the external USB microphone to record the sound while recording video. I've also tried using the microphone on the Bluetooth headset. Unfortunately, it does not work on the older version of the software. So even though I have the headset connected, whenever I record the video in the camera app, the phone always uses the internal microphone. So it's not able to pick up sound from the Bluetooth headset. So the thing is, for these two features to work, you need OneUI 2.5 update on your phone. So let's see if Samsung gives us the OneUI 2.5 update on the Galaxy Note 9. I think the Note 9 is still a pretty good phone and it's barely 2 years old. So yeah, let's see what happens. Whenever the update arrives, I'll make a video on it and let you guys know. So guys, I guess that brings us to the end of this video, and if you've enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to me on YouTube and follow me on my social media accounts. I'll put all the links in the video description. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.